Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sindhu from Sindhu Daniel, the kitchen queen. If you're watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Today I'm going to prepare brown bread oats toast, which is very healthy and tasty, friends. Trust me, it really doesn't take much time to prepare also, but the taste is really very awesome. So let's get started. So here I'm taking few slices of bread, 1 cup of oats, spinach chopped, boiled corn and carrot, tomatoes chopped, salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, chaat masala and jeera. You can definitely check the description for details and ingredients, friends, and you can also find the ingredients on the display as well. And here also I'm taking 1 cup of chickpea flour, few chopped green chilies, chopped coriander and mint, and few curry leaves. Here I'm going to add this oats to the blender and make it into a fine powder. Later we have to add the tomatoes chopped and boiled corn and carrots as well, and add few chopped spinach leaves also, friends. Keep some spinach leaves aside, which we are going to add it later. And add some green chilies chopped, mint and coriander leaves chopped, and make it into a fine paste without adding any water. Now take a bowl and add the finely grounded powder to it, oats powder to it. Later add this chaat masala, coriander powder, jeera, salt and red chili powder to it, and mix it well so that all the powders are mixed well perfectly. And add the grounded paste to this, friends. Make sure not to add water to the paste. So mix it well without any lumps, friends. Make sure. Next add the chickpea flour or besan to it. Mix it well. So those who are looking for instant snack recipes for the season can definitely try this recipe, friends. Now add half a glass of water, and the batter should be exactly not very thin, neither very thick, friends. It should be in such a way that it should coat the bread slices very well. So here we are going to coat the bread slices very thin, friends. So observe the consistency as shown in the video, and add the remaining coriander, mint leaves and spinach leaves as well, and add half a lemon, so which enhances the taste of the toast. So give it a good mix, friends, and check the consistency once again. Check salt also as per your taste. So here the batter is ready, friends. So here I'm taking the bread slices and going to chop it into 4 equal square parts. Now here I'm dipping this bread slices into the batter nicely. We have to coat the batter very thinly, friends. Make sure it is not thick at all. To enjoy the real taste and flavor, you have to make sure it's very thin, and don't over soak the bread in the batter. And once the tawa is hot, place the coated bread slices over the tawa, and after 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame, spread some oil around the bread slices. So after 3 to 4 minutes, flip it to the other side and cook it well, or toast it for 3 to 4 minutes more. So likewise, you can prepare as many bread slices as you can according to the batter you have prepared. So it is now very well cooked, friends. So very well toasted. It looks really yummy, very colorful with golden brown color. So you can dish out it. You can really serve it with ketchup or tomato sauce, and the specialty of this dish or recipe is that it really goes very well with alone, friends. Like without any combination, you can have it. You can enjoy this season with this toast and a cup of green tea.